Years, shadows climb on whispered time. A love forsaken, yet never truly gone.
I traced our names in dust and stone. Every vow, every whisper now unknown. Your love was poison wrapped in lace. Now I'm a ghost, lost in your embrace. I reach for you through endless pain, but love was goddamn war. We died in vain. You built a kingdom, then let it burn. And now I wonder, nowhere to turn. Torn apart like pages in the wind, cursed to feel what should have been. The stars still whisper, they call your name, but screams are empty, only sorrow remains. I tried to hate you, but love won't die. Every tear I shed still asks me why. I hold the past of what we became, but even the fucking memories have forgotten my name. I see your face in the embers of dreams, lost in the ruins of shattered beliefs.